Proco Products is the global leader in the design and supply of expansion joints for piping and ducting systems. Let's take a closer look. The Series 230 spool-type expansion joints are hand-built for heavy-duty, higher-pressure applications. Available in single, double, and triple arch, the 230 series can also be supplied as a filled arch for slurry or solids-type applications. The Series 240 spherical expansion joints are economically designed with a flowing arch to prevent sediment buildup. Available in single or double sphere. Floating metal flanges allow for a quick fit-up. The Series 440 molded Ptfe joints can be used for corrosive applications, available in 2, 3, or 5 convolutions. The Series 260R low spring rate rubber expansion joints are specifically designed for use with plastic or FRP piping systems. The Reducing Series rubber expansion joints are single wide arch joints that are available in both concentric and eccentric design to accommodate flanges sharing a common center line or 2 different flange sizes. The Series 231 ET Ptfe lined expansion joints are designed for tough and demanding corrosive chemical applications. The Series 271 expansion joint has a super wide flowing arch design which is self-cleaning, perfect for slurries, eliminating the need for a filled arch. Proco also offers ducting joints, stainless steel hose and braid, wall penetration seals, check valves, low-torque gaskets for plastic pipe connections, and more. Proco Products, the global leader in the design and supply of expansion joints for piping and ducting systems.